So you're going to want to measure out a 8.5 inch piece, two 8-inch pieces, and a 7.5 inch piece. Put the 8.5 inch piece on top if you're using a fence post, otherwise it doesn't matter. And on those two 8-inch pieces, you're going to want to cut a 20-degree angle. Here are the measurements I was talking about earlier. At this point, you're just going to cut out all the pieces. The throw on my miter saw is too small for 1x6, so I'm just going to use a straight edge and a jigsaw. So now I'm just going to take the board with a 20-degree angle on it and transfer it to the 8-inch board. If you have a compound miter saw, you make a compound cut, but I don't, so I'm making a miter cut on the edge grain. I'm just going to dry fit this together to make sure it fits right. So now I've got some glue, a hammer, and nails, and start nailing shit together. I'm using the front piece as a spacer, but make sure never to put glue on the front piece. We're going to need the hinge. Now just grab a square and make two lines the same level so the hinge does not wobble. Drill in line with those lines so you drill it. You can see it won't open on a flat surface, so I'm going to ground away at the back till it's round so it will. Okay, this one was cheap IKEA wrenches, so I'm just going to cut off the head, bend over the back side, and drill into the side that I cut off the head on. Find a drill hole inside the birdhouse, and I'm going to mount that IKEA wrench to it for a lock. This is just a cheap little paint stick handle that I cut off. I already said this once, but make sure to never put any glue or nails on the door because it needs to hinge open.